In NDA examination, we'll find the question based about 10 or 10, 10 to 12 question based on measure of tendency, which a boy who has not read math earlier can easily do these questions. So I'll start today the measure of tendency, which contain the mean, median, mode, and harmonic mean. And they are the question based on these concepts. So first of all, let me talk about the first measure of tendency, that is what we have got the mean. What is the mean? What is the mean is, mean suppose we got observation x1, x2, x3, xn, n observations suppose I got. Then what is the mean? I write the mean like this, is equal to x1 plus my x2 and so on plus my xn, addition of all these observations divided by total number of observations. Let's say I write sigma xi, I goes from 1 to n and divide by n. Sometimes I don't write the summation, I let simply xi divided by n. So we have x bar mean is equal to summation of xi divided by n. So I can have summation of xi is equal to n into x bar. So what is the mean of this is sum of the total one divide sum of the observation divided by, this is for a raw data. Suppose I got a data like suppose discrete data. Discrete data means where x has the complete value, the dnx has a complete value. That means x is equal to now we got the this one is x is equal to 1, 2, 3, suppose 5, 6, these values, and we got a frequency along with it. Frequency, let's say 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can take any value like suppose what is, now we want to find what is the mean of this observation. So what we do in that, we want to total sum of the values and we want total value. Total values means total n is the total frequency, that is summation of all frequency. It's here 8, 9, 10 and this is 12, so this is equal to 12, summation of all observations. And then summation of all observations, sum of all number of observations, and what is the total observation sum. X has come 3 times, so we multiply it by this. 2 into 1, this is 10, this is equal to 3, this is 15, this is 6. We'll add that, and this is the summation of all observation which we require in this case here. So it is here 16, 22, and it is 37. So we will have the mean is equal to what this is. What is the formula is summation of fxi and divide by total number of observation like this. We get into it. So we'll do the question based on this. Now another type of question which we'll have the group data question based on this. What group data is, we will given group data 0s to 10 and 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 like this, and we have got a frequencies for 3, 2, 1, 5. That's it. In this case, we take the middle point of this. We'll suppose that this week 5, 15 and 25 and 35. We will multiply. We use this method here, f into x. Okay, we multiply. And we again use the formula fxi divided by total n, and this is the mean. Sometimes we use the concept of step deviation method. Step deviation, we subtract xi minus a assumed mean divided by some h, or this is called step deviation called u, and then formula will be in that case will be the mean when we count a plus summation of fi ui divided by n or into h. This formula will be using. I'll be doing question based on this formula here, and we will talk about this formula. First of all, I like to consolidate what is the mean, sum of the observations and divide by the total observation like this. Suppose I got a question now based on this. The first question is find the arithmetic mean of first natural number. So what will be the answer? First natural number means I will put summation of n divided by number of n. We know a formula, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 divided by n, and so we got. What is the mean? Mean is the total of the observation divided by number of observations. Here sum of the square is equal to this. The next question comes to me is, what is this arithmetic mean of squares of the first natural number? It means I want summation of n square divided by n. We know a formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 and divide by n. Cut. This is the answer is, we got the answer is C. So we similarly, what we have the arithmetic mean is the what summation of the observations and divide by number of observations. Sometimes we quote the question like this. The mean of 20 observation I found is equal to what? 15. Okay. Okay. Total, what was the total? I told you total will be equal to, what is total will be equal to summation of n into my mean, because mean is equal to summation by this. The 20 observation, mean is equal to 12, therefore the total is equal to 300. The mean of 20 observation was 15, the observation was 20. This is total of the, when we 20 observation were added together, it is equal to 300. It was found 3 was written in place of 8. So then my correction, there is a correction in my this one. My correction here, it is my correction in this case. What the correction? 300 was wrongly total. So I'll got 3 added here and 6 added here. That's wrong. I subtract them and I'll add the original what is required. 8 plus 4. It's equal to 300, 300, 300. And this is 12 and this is 9. It is now plus my 3. My correct is 303. And then what is the correct mean? Correct mean is I divided this by, correct mean is equal to 303 divided by 20. Okay, this is here. This is 30.3 divided by 2. I got 15.15. That answer is equal to this is the B answer. So in this case, whatever we have copied wrongly, we'll subtract these from the total and we'll add all that what we had to be added. Now my next question is another same type question. What is the mean of the first n odd natural numbers? I know what is the sum of the odd natural numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5, this is 7, I want n terms. This is AP. What is sum of the AP is equal to n by 2. 2a, 2a means 2, n minus 1, d is equal to 2. And I get the answer is equal to n square. What is the mean? Mean is equal to sum of these values divided by n. So answer is equal to what? N. Only n. So answer is equal to sum of the first n odd natural number always equal to n square. So we have the definition. What is the arithmetic mean of the numbers? Arithmetic mean of the number is we add the numbers and divide by the number, we have got the total numbers, and that we have got the question. And we found out how to find out the values in different ways. So we found the question based on the discrete and continuous. Let me take the one example that based on the how to find the mean of a frequency distribution, and that is here. Here x is given and this is f. This is a discrete. I can simply make mechanically, I multiply f with x and add and divide by total frequency and I'll got the answer. First of all, I'll find out what is total frequency, what is the total number of observation. 6, 13, 16, 20, 20, 40. 40 and 7 is a 47. Let me count again. 6, 13, 25, 25 and 25 and 12, 37 is a 40. 6, 13, 25 and 25, 33 and 40. There are 40 observations. We want to find out the number of observations 40. Now I'll do what I'll find. Instead of multiplying this, I'll subtract from this number. I subtract. Let's say x minus something here a. Let me take the assume is equal to 18. I take the 18 here. And let me take it's a d. So it's 18, this is equal to minus 12, this is equal to minus 8, this is equal to minus 4, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 6, this is equal to 10, and this is equal to 12. Now instead of finding the mean of this, I'll apply the formula. The mean of x is equal to a plus this summation of d divided by n. Assume mean I taken this one and I found is 40. I need to find out the d. 12 cancel the 12. Okay, no need. 12 here, 12 and 16. The answer left is only 4. Here 12 and 16, the plus 4. So answer is equal to 8 plus here I cut 1 over 10, 1 over 10 here, 1 over 10, 1 over 10 is equal to 18, and plus 0.1 is equal to 18.1. So this we have got the answer, but the answer does not meet approximately this is there. We might have some thing to do. This 18 here, let me check up 18. This is minus 12, minus 8, minus 4, 0, 6, 10 and 18, 12. I got the answer. This is here. Oh, I made a mistake. Here I made a mistake in this case. I got the here f into my d, f into d. I have not done that. I just multiply, added one. I have to multiply formula fd. So this is equal to f into d is equal to, I made a mistake in this case, and this is here it is 12. This is equal to minus 24. It is minus 32. It is minus 28, 0, 48 and 40, and this is equal to 36. Now I'll add this and then I'll find out the answer. The answer is not correct here. Adding the positive one 4, and this is equal to 16 here, 12 here, this is 14 and this is 12, and this is equal to 14 here 1, and this is equal to 6 and 8, minus 84. I'll subtract minus 84, left is 40, and therefore answer mean is equal to what? X bar plus my 40 divided by 40 is equal to 18 plus my 1. The answer is equal to 19. The 19 here. Here basically what formula we have to use is the formula for a plus f summation of f into d divided by n. That is the mean in this case. So let's revise this question. Coming back to this question here. In this case again a discrete is given here, and we have to find am has been given. We have to find out what is the value of this given f. We want to find out. Look here friends. Now I'll find the mean is like this. I don't want to subtract. Suppose you want to subtract, okay, no issue. We'll just book the f into x. This is equal to 2 here. This is 6. This is 3 into f, and this is equal to 20. What the mean is equal to? Summation of this. Summation of this means 8, 28. 28 plus 3f divided by total. Total is equal to what? 5, 10. 10 plus f. This is given equal to 23 by 8. Okay, the cross multiplying both sides. 28, 64, 6, 22 plus 24f is equal to 230 plus 23f is equal to f is equal to 230 minus 240, 224, and answer is equal to 6. So B is the answer. We found the value formula. That formula is that we found the x bar. X bar means f into x multiplying both sides. Divide by this. You got the f. F is equal to this. This is how we can find the answer for this type of question which we have in this case. Let's see another type of question. Similarly, we revise the question like this. Let's say find the mean of this, find the mean of these functions. Very simple to question. Quickly I do fx 0, 4, 8, 12, 12. What is the mean is equal to summation of f into x divided by total n. Total n is equal to how much? It's equal to 12 and 6. This is equal to 18. The answer is the 18 here. And the 4, so total of this one 24 and 36, 36 here. This is equal to 2. The answer is equal to 2. We quickly find out this value can be found out. Now I have got another type question is when we talk about the question which involve the continuous this data. Here we go. This is 25 and 10. Let me see how to find. Let's take the x mid value of this 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Since the numbers are big, let's take the u. U is equal to x minus a. Let the a is equal to 25. Divide by h. H means the class interval, which is 10 here. This is a step division method. Minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 2. This make your multiplication easy. I'll make the u into x is minus 10, minus 15, 0, 35, 90. Then what is the mean is equal to what? A plus summation of f into my u divided by n into my h. A is equal to, we have taken 25, 25. Then f into u, u into this, f into u. This is f into, this is u, this is f into my u, f into u. This I made a mistake here to go. F into u. I made not f into x but f into u. This is equal to minus 10, 0, 5 and 10. This is only minus 5 left. Minus 5 divided by total observation. Total observation is equal to 15, 20, 40, 50 here. 50 into h is equal to 10. So answer is 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. This is equal to 24. That's here. This is 24 is the answer. 24 is the answer. Here we go, and such question can be done to go. In this case, we have another type of question that we come across when the we find the combined mean of this. As earlier I talked to you, the combined mean we find this can be done by this way. If you got n1 is a number, one observation, n1 is number, x1 bar is its mean, n2 another number, x2 its bar, then what is the combined mean is equal to? What is combined mean? So I need to find combined mean is equal to total number now become n1 plus n2, and what is the total of all these values is equal to what is total of these values equal to n1 into x1 bar plus my n2 into my x2 bar. This is one. If you got three values, okay, we will have n3 x1 3 bar and we'll add n3 like this. So we can have the combined mean. I got the question and ND now here. There are 7 observation mean is equal to 10. This is n1. This is equal to x1 bar. And there are 3 observation n2 here, and this is the x2 bar. What is the combined mean of the whole total? So I'll make the total is 10, 3 and 7. And what is total of these 7 observation is 70. And total observation of these 3 is 15. This is equal to 85 by 10 is equal to 8.5. My answer is this 8.5. Now we another type of question is we go to this one. This is the question here. Distribution x and y mean there are two functions with mean the n1 is equal to 36 and n2 is equal to 64. Its mean is equal to what? 4. Its mean is equal to 3. What is the combined mean is equal to? Let's say total is 100. What is the total observation of this 36 observation? Mean 4 for 2 144. This is the 12 and this is equal to 19 is equal to 6 here, 3 here and 3 here, and divide by 100. It is equal to 3.36. My answer 3.36 here is the answer. Well friend, we got another type of question. Finally, what we have to go? This answer is there are 3 observations and we want to combine mean. Yes, the example is the total observation is equal to 100. Add all this. Then multiply this one with this is equal to 6 and 21. Plus multiplying this is equal to 0 here, 8, 27, 2 and 18, 20. And multiplying this here is equal to what? 4, 16 and 25. Okay, I'm going to add these questions and we have got the answer is 0, 0 here and this is 7, 7, 14, 14 and again this is equal to 0. So my point will coming at, I know 0 coming here, so the answer will be equal to 68. You calculate this, answer is equal to 68. How we got quickly, no need to find out, we have got this answer will be 68. So we will find question, this combined, this is the of the combined mean. Now we got another type of things in the case here is the property of the mean. Now this is an important type question that they are difficult to understand and the children find difficulty in doing it. This is the mean of, find the mean of the observations. Now one point is very clear, when you find the mean, the difference of the mean का sum करेंगे, sum deviation of the mean is always equal to 0. Suppose I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The mean is equal to 5. I am 3 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 7 minus 5 and 5 minus 5 of course. If you subtract these and you add them, this will be always equal to 0. Summation of this mean deviation from the mean is always, summation of the deviation from the mean of the observation will be equal to 0. Another point is sum of the a scale of deviation from this mean will be minimum as compared to any other number like median, mode, any other than the mean will be more. It will be minimum scale sum will be only when it is in this one. If I say that this one is minimum, this minimum is minimum, it means what is the value of a? A is nothing but mean of the observation. That's mean this is only possible. Now we got another point is, suppose you got a mean of these x1, x2, x3, xn. The mean is equal, suppose 20. If I add 2 in all these, then what will mean? Mean will be 22 naturally. If I subtract this by 2 or 3x1, 3x2, this one, the answer will be multiplied by 3, 16. Similarly here I say, what is the mean of this s into x? If the x mean is x bar, then this is c x bar. What is the mean of c plus x bar? It is x bar plus c. We'll add into it. So my question is, what is the mean of cx plus d is equal to this is this, this is this. Now question is like this, suppose I got an observation x whose mean of this observation is, mean is 10. Suppose x is multiplied by 2 and then added by 5. What is the mean now? What is the y mean? What is the mean of y? What is the mean of y now? Well friend, there are mean of this equal to 10. We multiply by this 10, 20, then we'll add 5. The answer is equal to what? 25. Mean is 25. This first was multiplied, it becomes 20, then is a 5. So this is equal to 25, combining together. Right, here we go. So friend, this is, I want to say one more question. Before this question, I must say, suppose I got x bar is equal to, x bar is xi plus 5. Suppose I go and I want to do 1 goes to 10. So what will be, this is equal to, so make a summation inside, xi, I goes from 1 to 10 plus, what is 5? What is summation of I goes from 1 to 10, 5? The question is, what is this equal to? I must tell. If I put I is equal to 1, it is equal to 5. When I put I is equal to 2, again it's equal to 5. When I is equal to 3, this is equal to 5. When I is equal to 10, it is also summation. This stands for summation and it contains 10 terms, and these all terms are same 5, 5. It means this answer is equal to 5 into 10. Suppose it's 1 to 20, so 5 into 20. Whatever, the constant will be added as number of the terms are there. So based on this, I do the question here. Look at this one here. This is going inside, summation of xi, I goes to 1 is called x bar minus, not x bar. This is, I don't say x bar, this is summation of xi, I goes from to n. I'll take x bar into n, I'll talk later on. Minus means summation of 2 to 2, it's up to n, 2n is equal to 110. Similarly here, summation of xi, I goes from 1 to n minus 5n is equal to 110. Right? Well, here friends, what is the mean? I said, what is the mean? What is the mean? Mean of a number is equal to summation of xi divided by n. So in place of summation, I'll put n into x bar. N into x bar minus 2n is equal to 10. And n into summation of x bar minus 5n is equal to 110, and this is 100. This is not 110, this is equal to 20. This is equal to 20. I solve, I divide them. In fact, x bar minus 2 divided by x bar minus 5 is equal to 110 divided by 20 goes 2x bar minus 4 is equal to 11x bar minus 55 is equal to 9x bar is equal to 51, and therefore x bar is 51 upon 9. 9 3s are and 17 by 3. What is my answer is 17 by 3. I'll repeat this question. I tell how this question I did. I'll repeat to this how this question has been done. I'll explain to you. This is summation of xi goes from 1 to n xi minus 2 equal to 110. Then I said taking the summation inside, I goes from 1 to n minus mid 2, summation of I goes from 1 to n is equal to 110. This is I said. In place of summation, I said summation of xi is equal to, summation of xi is equal to, I can put summation of xi is equal to what? Is equal to summation of xi divided by n is equal to x bar. So summation of xi is equal to what? N into x bar. So I replace here n into x bar, and minus में I said 2n is equal to 110. First equation. Second was given was I goes from 1 to n xi minus 5 is equal to 20. So similarly I put n into x bar minus my 5n is equal to 20. Now I divide this by this. I want to get rid of the n. So get rid of n, and this is n minus, this is by divide by 2 x bar minus 5 is equal to 11 by 2. 11 by 2, cross multiplying 2n 2x bar minus 4. Now next is simple multiplication and find out this is equal to 9x bar is equal to 51 and x bar is equal to 51 by 9, 17 by 3, and that C is my answer. Now this is how we get into the question. So these questions are based on the mean. I hope you find them slightly interesting to go, and these questions can be done with this topic of mean can be easily done in the NDA that we